Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive pure handloom collections only for you. So let me display. This one also very beautiful bright color with heavy work, very nice one, blue shade, dark blue shade with golden zari weaving work, full base part golden zari border. This one is full base part golden zari with fine weaving design border, very nice one, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material with beautiful heavy weaving design, very nice one, soft comfortable silk cotton material pure handloom. This one is full base part and this one is brocade work running blouse piece contrast color, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving design, very nice one, bright beautiful looks, best for your party wear also. And I will suggest this soft synthetic material with weaving buta work, small weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful bright elegant looks, very nice one. This one also very elegant trendy looks, pure natural fabric lane by lane pure handloom one with fully hand batik print, very exclusive one, soft comfortable pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane with beautiful batik printed, fully hand batik print. This one is border contrast color printed border, and this one is full base part beautiful fully hand batik print, soft comfortable very elegant smart looks. This one is full base part is beautiful printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with hand batik printed pallu, very nice one, smart trendy elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks, smart trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful one, soft lightweight pure handloom premium quality silk by cotton with beautiful golden zari weaving work, very nice one, muslin silk with cotton weaving. This one is full base part, beautiful color, fine design, fine golden zari weaving buta work, full base part, and this one is border golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, soft lightweight comfortable premium quality pure handloom muslin silk cotton. This one is full base part, very beautiful one. And this one is contrast pallu, contrast color with beautiful weaving design, zari weaving floral jamdani design, very exclusive one, highlighted stripes lines golden zari with buta work, and full pallu part beautiful golden zari weaving floral jamdani work, very exclusive one, golden zari border, soft lightweight comfortable pure handloom muslin silk cotton. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful elegant exclusive bright looks. And also very beautiful bright one, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton contrast silk border, and full base part is ikat pattern border design. This one is middle portion is ikat pattern, and this one is border design golden zari weaving jamdani work border, very exclusive one, silk material shiny border, and this one is silk cotton material, and border portions is beautiful weaving jamdani weaving border, middle portion is ikkal design, very exclusive one, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully zari with thread weaving jamdani work pallu, very exclusive one, soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom silk cotton. And this one is pleat section, half portion pleat section is beautiful weaving buta design, very nice one. This one is pleat section, this one is pleats buta weaving design buta stripes, and this one is running blouse piece, this one is pleats, and this one is upper base part beautiful jamdani border ikat base, middle portion is ikat, very nice one, soft comfortable elegant beautiful bright looks. very nice one. This one is pallu, fully hand weaving, golden zari hand weaving jamdani work. And I will suggest this synthetic material, soft, comfortable with self weaving work, design contrast blouse piece, floral design contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks. And this one also, very bright one, beautiful looks, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen material with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. Jamdani design, very exclusive one, black base weaving buta work. Let me open. Very beautiful one, golden zari border, contrast blue piping. This one is full base part, beautiful one, black base golden zari border, and this one is beautiful weaving buta design. Our premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, fully weaving buta design, full base part. This one is running blouse piece, plain body shaded, golden zari border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy threaded weaving jamdani work pallu, very exclusive, bright, beautiful looks, exclusive bright combinations, color combinations also, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this contrast blouse piece, heavy work, synthetic material but soft, comfortable and heavy weaving work, very exclusive one, beautiful bright looks. This one also very beautiful, bright and elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom muslin silk cotton with beautiful weaving buta, golden zari border, soft peach shade, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, beautiful color, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving hand weaving buta design, jamdani buta, golden zari weaving buta, very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom muslin silk cotton, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, golden zari weaving floral jamdani, very nice one, exclusive looks, smart trendy one, beautiful color combinations also. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, peach shade with beautiful fine jamdani weaving buta work, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part. And I will suggest this synthetic material with bouquet weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful smart bright looks. This one also very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen weaving and golden zari border, and full base part is multicolored weaving buta design, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, golden zari border with highlighted stripes, smart lines, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom tissue silk by linen weaving, and this one is beautiful buta, multicolor weaving buta design, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, very nice one, soft, comfortable, premium quality pure handloom tissue silk linen. This one is fine border, and this one is running blouse piece, contrast color red running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful highlighted weaving stripes with full pallu part is weaving design, very exclusive one, soft, comfortable, smart, trendy one, based for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material with beautiful weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright party looks. And also pure khadi one, beautiful one, summer friendly, soft, lightweight, pure handloom charka khadi cotton with beautiful weaving border, contrast color weaving border. This one is border portions, contrast color with fine weaving design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta work, very nice one, premium quality pure handloom charka khadi cotton, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, very exclusive one. This one is very elegant color also, pallu end is beautiful, it is pom design, and this one is full base part, contrast border, weaving work, buta, full base part is buta, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted stripes with temple design highlighting the pallu part, and beautiful weaving design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom charka cotton, contrast border, weaving design, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this soft cotton fabric, printed, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece for your exclusive smart looks, very nice one. This one also very beautiful one, bright color, bright threaded work, also very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving design, buta, contrast color, and border also very smart one, contrast border. This one is, one portion is bright orange shade, highlighted stripes lines, one portion is orange shade, one portion is pink shaded border, and full base part is premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton, export quality, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, and this one is fine fully hand weaving buta design, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful heavy weaving design work, very exclusive one, very colorful also, black with orange and pink contrast work, threaded, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, full base is beautiful contrast color, fine fully hand weaving buta design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one, contrast color, bright border, very smart elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant bright exclusive looks. And also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton with beautiful weaving design, Banarasi weaving border with jamdani pallu, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton with self checks design, very exclusive one. And this one is border portion, contrast color stripes with beautiful golden zari Banarasi weaving border, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, beautiful one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very nice one, beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material, contrast border with Banarasi weaving border and jamdani pallu, very exclusive combinations. And this one is full base part, self checks design, contrast border, Banarasi weaving border, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, elegant looks. This one also very bright one, beautiful one, matka jamdani exclusive one, pure handloom hand spun matka with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Let me open, bright royal blue shade. And this one is full base part, beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani buta, base is pure handloom hand spun matka. This one is contrast color border, highlighted stripes, and this one is full base part, beautiful jamdani buta, pure handloom hand spun matka with jamdani work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very exclusive one, soft, comfortable, pure handloom hand spun matka. And this one is full base part, contrast color border, and this one is full base, beautiful one, beautiful fine fully hand weaving jamdani buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very exclusive one, soft, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright beautiful looks. This one also very exclusive combinations, pure handloom resham dhakai with embroidery design combinations, very nice one, bright, beautiful, smart looks. Let me open. This one is full base part, fully dhakai jamdani buta with embroidery design. And this one is border portions, applique border with beautiful colorful embroidery design. And this one is pallu part, very exclusive one. Pallu part is Dhakai Jamdani work with embroidery combinations, very bright, beautiful, exclusive looks, premium quality, pure handloom, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with embroidery combinations, applique border piping, very exclusive, smart looks without running blouse piece. This one is full base part Dhakai buta, weaving buta with embroidery floral, very nice combinations. This one is border, heavy embroidery design border, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this synthetic material but weaving, heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree, very nice one, smart bright looks. This one is fully threaded weaving, heavy work blouse piece, very beautiful one. And this one also premium quality pure handloom charka cotton with exclusive design of exclusive design work, fully hand weaving design, and base is blue contrast border also very smart looks, stripes pattern, multicolor stripes pattern border. This one is full base part, this one is contrast color border, and the middle of the border is beautiful stripes pattern, very smart elegant looks. And base is premium quality pure handloom charka cotton with buta weaving, fully hand weaving fine buta design, full base part. And this one is exclusive work pallu, very beautiful one, fully hand weaving work, very nice one, soft comfortable. This one is beautiful work, fully hand weaving design, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, beautiful buta, contrast color border, middle of the border stripes. And this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom export quality charka cotton. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric kalamkari printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, beautiful, bright but elegant looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There are many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, we have free shipping, cash on delivery. And very beautiful one, beautiful combinations also, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton with beautiful golden zari weaving buta, very exclusive one, soft comfortable beautiful color combinations, gray shade. This one is full base part and beautiful fine weaving design buta work, contrast color piping. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, beautiful weaving design, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color highlighted stripes with beautiful golden zari weaving buta design, beautiful combinations also, gray with red, exclusive one. And I will suggest this synthetic material but weaving, heavy weaving, self weaving with floral work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy smart looks, soft one, very exclusive one. And this one also very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton with weaving work, very exclusive one, bright beautiful border. And this, let me open, this one is full base part and this one is border, contrast color with beautiful fine hand weaving temple design, fine border, premium quality pure handloom export quality charka cotton with weaving buta, smart fine hand weaving buta design, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted stripes, temple weaving design, temple lines highlighted the pallu. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful weaving work, very exclusive one, soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom charka cotton contrast weaving border. And full base part is beautiful fine weaving border, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, this one is fine border, very smart elegant looks, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric kalamkari printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, beautiful, elegant looks. And you know, today I have draped a beautiful bright sari, premium quality pure handloom silk linen Banarasi. Full base part is yellow base, light yellow base, plain and heavy weaving border, fully Banarasi weaving wide border. This one is beautiful border design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully contrast color border, also contrast color with beautiful weaving design pallu. Banarasi weaving pallu, and this one is border design, very exclusive one. Soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen Banarasi. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.